If you are a supplier of printer cartridge, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your printer cartridge supplier business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your printer cartridge supplier business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I will type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly, your printer cartridge supplier, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: order cartridge, ask a question, talk to support. I'm going to click on order cartridge. As soon as I have selected order cartridge, they want to know few details like printer model. I will enter that. Now they want to know about the quantity. I will enter that. After quantity, they want to know about the delivery address. As soon as I have provided every single detail, they had delivered a message which says, "Awesome, your order is underway. We will prepare your invoice and delivery details shortly." And with that, they have provided me with an action button which says menu. As soon as I have selected the menu option, they have delivered me with initial message again. Let's click on talk to support. As soon as I have selected talk to support, they have responded me with a message which says a support team member will be in touch soon. We appreciate your patience and continued support. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for printer cartridge supplier business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your printer cartridge supplier business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start and browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message to my customer. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. Hi, welcome to Pabbly, your printer cartridge supplier. We are here to make your office printing operation smooth, convenient and stress-free directly through WhatsApp. How can I help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Order cartridge. For next action button, I'm going to enter ask question. And for my third action button, I have entered talk to support. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. For that, let's start with order cartridge. To take order for their cartridge, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message where I have mentioned that running low on cartridge, please send your printer model. We will identify and order correct one for you. With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as model and my format as any. Now after model, I want to know about the quantity they want to order. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that how many cartridge would you like to order. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as quantity and my format as any. After quantity, I want to know about the delivery address. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message where I have mentioned that thank you, please send me your delivery address to complete your order. I'm going to select my contact custom field as address and my format as any. Now after knowing each and every detail, I will send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Awesome, your order is underway. We will prepare your invoice and delivery details shortly. And with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone clicked on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Let's move to our second action button, which is ask a question. To get a question from my customer, I need to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message. Please describe your question or concern. We are here to help and make sure everything runs smooth. With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as question and my format as any. Now, as soon as my customer enter their question, I'm going to send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned that thank you for sharing that. We are looking into your query and someone from our team will get back to you as soon as possible, typically within 1 to 2 hours during business hours. And with that also, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier. Now let's move to our third action button, which is talk to support. For that, I'm going to provide a separate message. I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned that a support team member will be in touch soon. We appreciate your patience and continued support. So as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for printer, cartridge, supplier business using Pabbly Chatflow. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.